Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our latest equipment, paperback double-side digital printer. It can be printed on both sides of the paperbacks. CSJ210ZD pieces can be printed in 1 minute, and one ring can print 300 pieces like this bag, which is simple to operate and can be operated by one person. First of all, let's take a look at our country's first storage station, which can put 200 paperbacks at one time, divided into 4 or 5 stacks, and put on the platform. The second is our double discharge system, friction feeding, which is suitable for paperbacks without handles, such as envelopes, baking bags. Vacuum suction feeding for paperbacks with a handle. Then there is our correction platform, which can adjust the paperback which is deviating to the correction position. Then there is our printing system. The printing width is optional. The printing effect is clear. The color is bright, drying as soon as printing. The picture is imported to the computer, and the printing can be started with one button. The biggest innovation of our machine is the automatic flipping paperback system, which can flip our paperbacks, flatten the paperbacks, and then convey them to the second guiding platform for the second paperback backside printing. Afterwards, the paperback falls into the receiving platform, which has 2 receiving modes. One is steak collection and another is fish scale collection. Finally, let's look at the excellent performance of the device.